Hello students, welcome to our online ALGA class. As you all know, I am Ramneet Kaur, your ALGA teacher. Today we are having our debrief session of day 2, unit 1. Now let's start our video. In the previous video, we have read these words. Today we will again open our reader book SR1 and again read this vowel diagraph, E diagraph and EA diagraph. The first word is SLEEP. SL make the sound of slur, double E make the sound of long vowel E and P make the sound of P. Sleep. After that, the next word is B, then jeep, then street, beep, sheep, feel, see, seed, speed. This is a long vowel E sound diagraph. After that, there is a next diagraph EA. EA, the sound of E sounds long, then the sound of A vowel. The first word is eat. The second is seed. You can notice that the A sound is smaller than the sound of E. The next word is see, meet, beat, seal, bean, wheat, leak, wheat. Now, under this vowel diagraph, here is a story. You have to read this story by yourself. I have read this story in the previous video. Now, you yourself will read this story. Pause this video and read this story. Now, again we will practice reading these words. These are some words from previous levels. The first word is love. I don't know the pronunciation of this word, but I know the sounds of words, alphabets. So I can read this word very easily. The first word is love. The second is O and E. I don't know the pronunciation of this word, but I know the sounds of alphabet. So I can read this word, and also you all can read this word. The second word is one. The next word is away, went, must, had, run, so, many, will, said, done, note, here, other, pull, through, behind, another. The next are for, do, ate, soon, that, always, meet, him, try, make, best, where, did. Students, previously we read a story, and again today we will also read this story. The story of a boy hanging upside down on a tree. Now let's start reading it. A boy was once hanging upside down from a tree. एक लड़का था जो एक पेड़ पर उल्टा लटका हुआ था. It was his friend's garden. वो उसके फ्रेंड का गार्डन था. He was to love the tree and the flowers on it. उसको वो ट्री और ट्री पे लगे हुए फ्लावर्स बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद थे. Soon his friend's grandfather came. थोड़ी देर बाद उसके फ्रेंड के दादाजी आए. Come down, you will make the flowers fall. दादाजी ने बोला, नीचे उतरो, नहीं तो पेड़ पर लगे फूल गिर जाएंगे. The boy continued to hang from the tree. पर जो वो लड़का था वो नहीं उतरा. The grandfather then said, there is a ghost that lives on the tree. He wanders in the night. दादाजी ने बोला कि उस ट्री पर एक भूत रहता है. He also breaks the neck of those who climb the tree. वो उन लोगों की गर्दन जो है वो तोड़ देता है जो भी लोग उस ट्री पर चढ़ जाते हैं. Saying this, he went inside. ये कहने के बाद दादाजी अंदर चले गए. Come down, and his friend. Come down, said his friend. The ghost will break your neck. उसके बाद उसके फ्रेंड ने बोला कि नीचे आ जाओ, जो भूत है तुम्हारी गर्दन तोड़ देगा। द बॉय लाफ्ड एंड सेड, डू नॉट बिलीव एवरीथिंग समवन टेल्स यू। लड़के ने बोला कि वो हंसने लग गया और बोला कि हर उस चीज पे विश्वास नहीं करते जो सब बोलते हैं। If this were true, I would have had my neck broken a long time back. लड़के ने बोला अगर ये बात सच होती तो मैं बहुत देर पहले ही मेरी नेक जो है वो टूट जाती। The boy grew up to become स्वामी विवेकानंद। जो बॉय है वो बड़ा होकर स्वामी विवेकानंद बना, जिसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो स्टोरी थी वो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की थी। ओके स्टूडेंट? ओके स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर रीडिंग दैट स्टोरी हियर आर सम क्वेश्चंस। स्टोरी रीड करने के बाद यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं और आपको इन क्वेश्चंस को अपनी कॉपी पर लिखना है, उसके बाद इसके आंसर्स भी लिखने हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द ऑथर डूइंग? व्हाट वाज द ऑथर डूइंग? ऑथर क्या कर रहा था? व्हाट डिड द फ्रेंड्स ग्रैंडफादर टेल द बॉय? फ्रेंड के दादाजी ने लड़के को क्या बोला? What happened after that? What happened to the people who climbed the tree? उन लोगों को क्या हो जाता है जो भी लोग पेड़ पर चढ़ते हैं? What happened to the people who climbed the tree? उन लोगों को क्या हो जाता है जो पेड़ पर लटकते हैं? What happened the boy tell his? What did the boy tell his friend at the end? बॉय ने अपने फ्रेंड को आखिर में क्या बताया? Who did the boy grow up to be? बॉय बड़ा होकर क्या बना? अभी आपको इसके आंसर्स लिखने हैं। स्टूडेंट, here are the answers of the questions. The first question is, what was the author doing? Author क्या कर रहा था? He was hanging upside down from a tree. What did the friend's grandfather tell the boy? He asked him to come down from the tree. What happened to people who climb the tree? The ghost break the neck of the people who climb the tree. What did the boy tell his friend at the end? He told his friend not to believe anything that others told him. Who did the boy grew up to be? He became a famous person whom we known as Swami Vivekanand. You have to write these question answers in your fair notebook. Okay student? Okay student, here is one more story in your worksheet. Open your worksheet, page number WS3. Read the short story below and answer the question given. My name is Mary Com. मेरा नाम मैरी कॉम है। I was born in मणिपुर। मैं मणिपुर में पैदा हुई थी। I had one brother and one sister. मेरे पास एक भाई है और एक बहन है। I loved playing sports. मुझे खेलना बहुत पसंद है। But I had to take care of my brother and sister. पर मुझे अपने भाई बहन का ध्यान भी रखना होता है। One day I saw डेंगो सिंह बॉक्सिंग इन मणिपुर। एक दिन मैंने देखा कि डेंगो सिंह है जो बॉक्सिंग कर रहा था मणिपुर में। आई वॉन्टेड टू बिकम अ ग्रेट बॉक्सर टू। मैं भी एक बहुत ही अच्छी बॉक्सर बनना चाहती थी। नरजीत सिंह लाइक माई बॉक्सिंग। नरजीत सिंह मेरी बॉक्सिंग बहुत पसंद करते थे। ही डिसाइडेड टू कोच मी। उन्होंने मुझे सिखाने का सोचा। आई प्रैक्टिस बॉक्सिंग फॉर मैनी ईयर्स। मैंने बॉक्सिंग बहुत सालों से प्रैक्टिस की है। आई वर्क वेरी हार्ड। मैंने बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग की है। एट द एज ऑफ 19 आई गॉट व्हाट आई वांट। 19 साल की थी जब मुझे वो सब कुछ मिल गया जो मैं चाहती थी। I won a silver medal in the boxing of India. मुझे सिल्वर मेडल मिला in the boxing for India. Now, under this story, there are 3 questions. You have to do these questions by yourself. The first question I had done, the second is also I had done, but the third one you have to write it by your own. Students, now we will learn singular and plural subjects. In the last class, we learned about singular and plural subjects. But here also, we are doing the same as the previous class. The first sentence is Ram reads a book. Ram and Sita reads a book. The first is singular noun. The second is plural noun. Same as the second, she plays with the ball. They play with the ball. You can notice that in the singular subject, S is written with the word, and in the plural subject, S is not written in the with the word. In every line with the singular, S is there, but with the plural, S is not with the word. Okay, students? Look at the table carefully. Singular subject. Ram reads a book. She plays with the ball. He runs on the field. What do you observe in these sentences? Yes, you have observed that in every singular subject, in every singular sentence, there is S with every word. After a noun, there is a word with S. Ram reads. She plays. He runs. After that, in plural subject, Ram and Sita read a book. They play with the ball. They ran on the field. You can observe with the singular subject, add an S to the verb. With the plural subject, do not add an S to the verb. Okay, students? Students, did you understand the difference between singular and plural noun? Okay, here is open your workbook, worksheet 4. In the worksheet 4, question number 2, there are 2 questions. Write how the verb bring changes with the subject. And the second, write how the verb talk changes with the subject. You have to write the verb as with the singular and without S verb with the plural sentence. Okay, students? And you also have to do the questions on the above side, the D and E part of the story Mary Kom. Okay, students? Now I am ending the class. Thank you.